Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, precious metals are having a moment, in US dollars at least, largely because the US dollar is extending its retreat. The same impact is affecting commodities like copper. Prices are rising in the US as a consequence of tariff taxes, which are pushing down the value of the greenback. But first, the dairy pulse auction for skim milk powder and whole milk powder brought better results than the futures markets expected. Skim milk powder was up 1.7% and slightly better than the 1.5% expected. But the big mover was whole milk powder, which rose 1.5% when a 4% retreat was expected. The continuation of better prices will be something of a quiet relief in this industry. In the US, the retail impulse continued to expand last week, up 5.1% from a year ago. But the suspicion lingers that much of this is the inclusion of tariff taxes, despite what the CPI indicates. And those tariff taxes hurt the results in the latest Richmond Fed factory survey. It was their worst result in 10 months and led by a sharp retreat in new orders. Input cost growth stayed high. Across the Pacific, Taiwanese export orders continued their outstanding growth, up almost another 25% in June from the same month in 2024, which itself led year-ago levels. It is a hugely impressive result and continues a very strong 2025 monthly set. It is their electronics industry leading the way there. In Australia, the vultures are out targeting vulnerable borrowers who are debt-stressed, and that has ASIC worried, and they have launched a review into the debt management and credit repair sector in an effort to protect those experiencing financial hardship. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.34%, down 3 basis points from yesterday at this time, and the price of gold will start today at $3,427 an ounce, up another $34 from yesterday, and that almost matches its record high of April 21. And the silver price has pushed on up over $39 an ounce. It isn't yet threatening its 2011 peaks of $48 an ounce, but the recent climb has some people quite excited. American oil prices are down $2 at just on $65 a barrel, but the international Brent price is only down 50 cents at just under $68.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 60 US cents and up 25 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're unchanged at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also little changed at 51.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 67.5 and up 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.